In this video, I'll show you how to delete old Facebook pages, step by step. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that has admin or full control access to the old page. Switch to the page you want to delete. Then open Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Next, look for Access and Control and select the option for deactivation or deletion. Choose Delete Page. Then click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Facebook may ask you to enter your password or confirm your decision before completing the deletion request. Before deleting the page, make sure you've saved any important photos, posts, messages, or other information you may need. Keep in mind that you need the appropriate page access to delete it, and Facebook may provide a period during which you can cancel the deletion. If you only want to hide the page temporarily, consider deactivating it instead. That's how you can delete an old Facebook page you no longer need. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.